Hello everyone. Today I am showing you SAR HR short demo. Like this is the main login page of SAR HR, right? You can take that application on cloud as well as on premises, right? If you are going for the on premises mode, so you can change the front login dashboard. That image you can customize as per your requirement. So let's start the demo of SAR HR. So this is the admin login first of all. So I'm logging over the admin. So here you will see there like dashboard is there. So in this dashboard you can see multiple types of graphs we are giving you there, charts we are giving you there. Like here first graph you will see there like male and female attrition ratio, like how many males and females are there, attendance that we will fetch from the biometric machine. In SAR HR application we have a direct integration facility with the machines, biometric machine. So after that you can see there like how many new joinings, confirmation, F and on notice employees are there below. If you are seeing, so celebration days are like coming birthdays, marriage anniversaries, employee of the month, work anniversary, blood groups, leaves, how many leaves are applied by the employee in this particular month. Statics we are giving you there like how many departments, disbursements, yearly attrition rate, employee location. And if you're going below to designations, and here you can see like directly attendance coming from the machine, so that will be reflected there. Like if I'm clicking over the present, so list of present employees are coming automatically there if I'm clicking on show. Or you can download that from the excel icon. Here I'm giving the option, you can download there. Right below that how many leaves are applied by the employees, so that will be reflective there. Here to do list for the reminder purpose we are giving you there. Like so here life left side you can see like coming company module, like company related details you can mention there. Payroll master is there. Employee directory, employee directory means you can set up like all the details related to employee there. We have an onboarding option also, and from excel or from manual option is also available there. You can just put all the details like this. All the details are available there. Right. His salary structure, you can upload multiple types of leave policies we are making there. Like as per the company policy, you can set up the leave, you can assign the leaves, you can check leave balance. If suppose you're not providing the employee right or supervisor right to supervisor, so in that case, HR can manually apply a leave from there, right? And holiday you can manage from there. Gate pass option is also there. Attendance reimbursement option is also there. In reimbursement like expenses, the employee can the sales team can upload from their portal, and admin can approve from there. Clock module is there. In clock module we will integrate your biometric machine directly with the software, so we need to just put up the basic detail there and create the shift. And in shift we can create multiple types of policies. If you are clicking with the shift module, so for the demo we are creating multiple shift. I will click, double click there, so multiple types of shifts are we are giving you there. Like what is the name of shift, duration of the shift, late condition, ot condition, comp of condition, right, punching condition. If suppose you need to deduct leave from the software, so that condition. Multiple types of leaves policy, so leaves policy we can set up there. And you can set up attendance policy also there. Right. Apart from that, we are giving you their tax module. In tax module, you can submit quarterly return investment. You can take clear from the employer from their portal also, and even you can manually you can take from their form 16 part B. You can generate from software. Letters you can assign from their assets. You can manage events we have in events like coming birthdays, anniversary confirmation. So that notification is automatically coming you there. And emailer is also there. Like somebody is absent, so automatically one mail goes to that person, or is their HOD or respected other mail ID. So notifications is also there, or the alerts like somebody is mispunch or early go. So that alerts is also available there. Assets you can manage from there, like how many assets you are allocating to employee, so that you can manage from there. Import module is there, like how many like all the data that you need to upload through excel, so that formats are available there. You need to just click on download. Like this I'm downloading that, right? So like this we have a multiple types of uploading options are there. Reports, like in reports you can manage pf esic challans easily. You can manage directly that link with the software. If suppose icr I need to generate, I need to just click, double click there, and okay. So ECR is automatically coming there. That ECR, if you need in a text file, so click on the text file, or text file is downloaded there, and you need to just click on the eSeva portal. So you need to upload your ECR. Right, same like ASIC is also there, like other payments is there. Payslip, you can multiple formats we have. Even you can send the payslip format to your employees directly from there. Right. If you need more reports, so we have multiple types of all the reports like master reports, employee reports, structure related report, leave report, process related report, income tax related report, bank transfer report like PF, ESIC reports, compliance report, audit reports if you need. So multiple types of reports we are giving you there, right? If you need process the salary, so here process window is there. You need to just click and process in one shot all the employee salary from there, right? So I'll click on the process module here. From here you can manage your variables, loan, flexi loan option is also there. Process your salary, hold or unhold additional payment you can pay from there. Bonus, disbursement, gratuity, leave encashment, F and F preparation you can do from there. Piece rate, if you are a textile industry, so piece rate option is also available there in SAR HR application. From control panel you can just define the rights to the user, like how many users are there. Like you can define the rights first of all, like for the particular application how many users are there, and you can restrict that user for the rights, like how many user can access that facility, even for the same for the employee, right? Apart from that we have a talent acquisition, performance management, visitor time sheet, and training module also, right? If I close this, so I'll show you employee portal. Give me a second. This is the employee portal. From here employee can apply for that attendance also. Even employee can see the attendance history. They can apply for the leave, reimbursement, travel desk, loan, income tax reports, and they can submit their gate pass, exit view, right? And we have other HOD view, feedback sessions. So multiple types of details we have. So if you like the software, so please contact us. We will show you the software in detail. Thank you so much for your valuable time.